Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Hot Topic gift card online. So keep watching the video till the end and follow the on-screen prompts in order to do so. Hit the subscribe button if you've not yet and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Redeeming Hot Topic gift card online is quite easy. All you need to do is to open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in www.hottopic.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your Hot Topic account by entering your credentials, and once you're logged in, this is how it looks like. In order to redeem your gift card, you can go ahead and choose a product that you'd like to shop and add the product in your shopping bag. Once you've done that, go to your shopping bag icon in the upper right hand corner, and if you mouse over to that, you'll see a pop-up appearing. Click on Proceed to check out in the pop-up, and in the checkout page, go ahead and enter your information needed. Enter your email address and your phone number, enter your shipping address, select your shipping method, and click on Continue to Billing. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see an option under Order Adjustments. Enter your gift card number available at the back of your Hot Topic gift card, or enter the 16-digit gift card number that you received on your email, and click on the Apply button in order to redeem your gift card with hottopic.com purchase. That is how it can be done. Apart from that, you can also select your credit card option, Hot Topic credit card, PayPal, or other options displayed on the screen in order to purchase the product. That is how you can easily redeem your gift card for hottopic.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.